Hello there, this is Derek and welcome to Titbit. So today I'm about to show you how you can be able to rank your videos close to top videos in your niche. This is a cool strategy I've used, and then I don't want to keep it alone, so I want to share with you guys so that you guys will also benefit and it will help you guys get more views on your videos. So if you're cool here and then you are new here too, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you want to grow on YouTube, get new tips on YouTube, how to grow your channel, how to blow up on YouTube, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to go to my computer and I'll show you step by step how you'll be able to do this thing and then you gain more views on your videos. So what I'm going to show you is actually compatible for Chrome and then Firefox. So first of all, I'm going to go to my browser and then type in Social Blade, and then we search for this. This is what we are going to use. So you search for Social Blade, right? And then you go to their website, straightforward, and then you scroll down to get the option for the extension. So this is it. So you see you can use this or this. So I'm using a Google Chrome, so I'm going to go for the Chrome extension. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So you just have to follow the lead and then do this. So you see they said I should remove it, so I'm not going to remove it. I've already installed it. So after you've installed it, this is how your YouTube is going to look like. Let's go here, and then this is how your YouTube is going to look like. We're gonna play a video, so let me just mute mine and then you just go on YouTube. I want to show you something. I want to show you, you see, I talk about how to grow on YouTube, and also I'll just go to a video, probably maybe not even about a video, but I'll just give you a video which I think maybe they've tagged a lot. Let's see nicknaming here. Okay, so I'll just mute this video, right? Okay, so I've muted this video, right? So I'm waiting for it to just load and then you see something. Okay, so you see this, look at this right here. Let me copy the link and then probably go to a browser. I'm not using this kind of extension, and then you see if you're going to see this here, right? So this is the tags nicknaming used. So let's go paste and then go. I want to show you a difference, how you're going to see your YouTube and then how I see my YouTube, and then how I'm able to copy tags from videos that are a bit related to mine, which have a lot of views. I want my video to rank like theirs, or maybe go a bit closer to theirs because they have a lot of views than I have. Maybe when I was posting the video, probably they have had views already. You can see this is the normal YouTube page, right? You're not going to see what I'm seeing. So this is how it looks like, right? You see nicknaming, you see I've not signed in anything, so this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so you see nicknaming tags here. If maybe you are doing something that is a bit closer to whatever he's doing, just copy it right here, and then you go to your notepad, right? You open your notepad and then you copy the tags into the notepad, and probably maybe you will check it out later. So you just copy it to the notepad, you paste it, right? So you see these are the tags. So maybe when you're done with your video, you can come here and then probably check it out and then maybe copy it to your tag section, and then you would just take your time and then look through the ones which are related to yours, and then you can go to any other video, probably maybe 3 or 4 videos, and then you check them out. Then you'll be able to copy and probably might be able to rank close to them or rank above them if YouTube algorithm likes you. So that is how you can just get some views from picking up people's tags. So you take note of whatever I'm showing you so that you'll be able to capitalize on it, right? So if you are cool, just don't forget to subscribe, right? I have a lot to share with you guys. So I'll be trying the same step with another video, so kindly hang on so that you don't miss anything. I'm gonna pick a random video. So look at this video. If the person has ranked, her video has ranked with tags, it's gonna show. I've kept the video on mute so that we don't get any strikes. So you see her tags are gonna show right away. So let's wait for it to load, and I'll show you how you're gonna see it on a browser without this extension. So I'm gonna copy the link of this video. Actually, it will be done by the time I come back. So, and then we go to our Mozilla Safari, we paste, and then we go to the video, and then we see how it's going to be like. So this is how, this is with the Chrome. You see Chrome right here, you see the tags over here. So you'll be able to see the tags with this kind of extension. It's called Social Blade. You'll be able to see the tags with this kind of extension, so you can copy it here. If maybe you are saying something that is a bit close to the video you are doing, it implies to any other video you want to create on YouTube. If only the video you want to create has a similar video on YouTube and the person has already tagged it very well and they ranked correctly, you put them here. After you are done with your video you want to do, you compare it with about 4 or 5 videos, and then you copy the tags and then you sort them out, and then you'll be able to rank #1. That is how I do it sometimes too. So this is the secret I want to show you guys. So let's go to the Safari again. You see it, look at Safari here. I'm clicking on it. You see you can't see anything here. You can't see anything like tags over. So on your browser, that is what you're going to see. On my browser, this is what I see. I see it with this. I hope this video was very insightful. If you like these tips and then you are cool and then you want more, don't forget to subscribe. and then like this video and then share to anyone who also want to grow on YouTube. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays for YouTube tips, and then Fridays for app reviews and then new applications you can use for free. Okay, so thank you for being with me, and then catch you in the next one.